Below Zone A of Shenglong Plaza, next to Dennis Supermarket. BBQ chicken. Many people recommended it. Let's give it a try. It's still the large size. This is the largest portion on the market, 95 grams. Around 5 or 6 yuan per skewer on the snack street. Even this small one. Ah, you're saying yours is bigger than that? This is white. The flavor is sweet and salty. This weather camera exploded. I bought a special small grilled chicken for 18 yuan. Inside is a large chicken leg and 2 skewers of gluten and a bottle of apple drink. Feels good, right? Wow. Can't fit it in. The machine sells it for 12 yuan each. Try it. The original flavor is sweet and honey-like. The skin feels very crispy. First, drink some water to moisten. It's been windy these days. Too dry. That bite I took just now, the taste is mild. I saw him heavily sprinkling white sugar on it. Inside is red sauce. Should be Orléans sauce. Then brushed with honey, sprinkled white sugar. Mine. Default flavor. Some people also add chili, but I didn't add any. I forgot. Taste it. It claims to be the largest size. Can't even fit on the baking tray. The sauce is also like the picture, that sweet taste. Not bad. Kids can eat it. Not spicy. First time eating sweet gluten. Before, all gluten was spicy and numbing. Super spicy. And it's grilled very soft. It's okay to eat, but for me, it might not suit my taste. Because I think the best chicken leg is salty. Whether it's the chicken leg or the gluten, they're all sweet with honey. Different strokes for different folks. If you think it's still a small issue, then next time, comments are welcome.